Hello, my name is Lilia Slavova, and I'm auditioning for the role of Rosa. Ало, съпругът?
Rosa? What the hell are you doing here? It's like you're never at home anymore. You just wander around in a subway.
Що ме питаш защо?
I know why, it's because you're crazy. So, you're talking now, huh? Rosie, what is it?
You know why I come down here? I like to be close to you. Не мога да те гледам, не мога да говоря с теб. Но все още искам да съм близо до теб.
Why? Why can't you talk to me?
Because I'm not beautiful in this country. Не съм. I sound stupid. I look stupid. I go around like a fool. Can't tell a bloody joke. I can't let you see me like this. Защото ще спреш да ме обичаш.
I won't stop loving you.
But more. You're not beautiful here. You're small, like me. Ти знаеш ли тази глупост, дето се разправяш за лоста на Архимед? It's big bullshit.
It's in your perspective, Rosa. That's what you never understand. I am fucking Archimede. Give me a place to stand and a lever long enough and I will move the world.
You have a lever, but no place to stand. You move nothing. It moves you.
Truth.
Truth.
You want to ride home?